Hello guys, this is Nidmist and today's video is going to be a general selling video in which I'm going to show you stuff which I have available for selling right now. So if you are interested, definitely watch the entire video, and if you guys have watched my previous selling videos, you would already know that I don't just show you stuff in this video like a business minded seller. I actually tell you the advantages of buying these bays which I am showing right now, and if any part is not relevant or not that much of importance, I even tell that as well, so you guys have a clear picture of what you are buying. The basic reason behind this is that I want people to grow in Beyblade more competitively as well, to have the understanding of each and every parts rather than just simply buying expensive Beyblades and not knowing what to do with them. So without any further talking, let's start with the video. So first of all, I have some NIP, or you can say NIP, New Impact base. So the first two which I have are Curse Satans, which comes in the triple booster of Sparking series. So this Beyblade is a very effective way to first of all get the Curse Satan layer and the Sparking chip and all, because the original Curse Satan which comes in the original color is very expensive, and it's not possible for each and every one for you to buy. Previously the random booster price base were in the range of 1800 to 2000, but right now it has raised a lot and it has gone to 3k and sometimes 4k as well, and some people do sell these things and some people stupidly buy that as well, but then it's up to them, whoever is selling and whoever is buying. It's not something which I have any problems with, but yeah, considering that, I find it very stupid. So this is a very good alternative to get the Curse Satan layer and the chip, with a very great addition to your competitive parts, which is will be the Hold Dash driver. So now the reason behind the Hold Dash driver is Hold previously itself was a very good driver, but then we got Hold Dash. Now the problem with Hold Dash was it was superb, excellent, very competitive, but you could only get that in a limited edition booster, which was Grand Valkyrie, the 10's giant versions, and that was quite expensive. But now at a price of just 1100 each, you get this one Hold Dash driver and a Curse Satan layer with the chip, and also definitely a good buy. Also the other two parts, the disc is not at all good. I haven't seen any competitive use as such. Even in random combos, it's quite lacking a lot. The 1D chassis is good. Why? Because the chassis can be used as with a disc as well. So you can use this chassis with another disc compared to the other frames, which are the two frames, the 2D, 2A, I think so, yeah, 2A and 3A. But the 1Ds and 1S, they can be used with the discs, so that is their usefulness. So this is the Curse Satan. The next one I have is last piece of a Naked Diabolus left. Naked Diabolus 11 and Wave. So Wave driver, if I talk about, it saw a lot of competitive use in the tournaments, and even a proper like competitive blader who tests a lot, which is his name is Kei, or you can say Kai, I don't know, KEI. He is from WBO and he was one of the founder members also. So he had tested the things a lot, and that time he told that Wave driver is really good in terms of LED and also has good spin equalization. At the same time, you get a naked base here. So the naked base was something which you could get in Naked Spriggan booster only, and the Naked Spriggan, the original price bay, was very good, but at the same time, if you could go for the other one, it would price a bit more and it wouldn't give you that much value. But this base really gives you a lot value because it comes with the Goku weight. Goku weight is again a weight which was very rare at that time, but now it's very easily available. And the Diabolus chip, which is the Diabolus 2 chip, is always a good welcome to the family. So there you have it. This is a very good combo to have. The only thing is a drawback here is the 11 disc. As such, 11 disc doesn't have any competitive uses as such, but who knows, later in the future it might have. So this one goes for 1300 rupees, 1300. Okay, so later on, next I have the one from the last time's booster, which is a Slash Dragon, which comes with double O, which is a very competitive disc, very good to have. The thing here is Slash and the Dragon chip are not at all good. The Dragon chip is fine, but the Slash base is really very high in recoil, has lot of issues. But at the same time, you get to see Octadriver, which is really good and was very rare before this release. It was only available in the Orichalcum Beyblade, which was priced at something around 20,000 and 30,000 rupees. But now, at a price of this one, especially at a price of just 650 rupees, you get this driver. So it's definitely a worth buy. The only downside to this pack is I won't be giving any stickers. So if you are into like a person who likes stickers and has to be like, it has to be mandatory that the stickers should be there, then definitely it's not for you. Now, this being said, this is all the NIB, or you can say NIP stuff I have right now. Moving on ahead, we have some combos. So I'll be showing the combos one by one. So the first combo is a golden color Poison Hydra with a Gen weight. So Gen weights are something which are very expensive actually. They do cost 800 rupees, 850 rupees per piece. And this combo completely, the Poison Hydra combo with the Gen weight, featuring a Revolve and you have your Zenith, comes for just 650 rupees. So that's really a good buy to get a Gen weight, definitely. Because Gen weights are really good for burst resistances. I do have two of these. The first one comes with Zenith, the second one comes with 8 dash, and you have your angle frame, so, and guard. So the drivers and all are not good, but definitely then the weight and the poison, I believe the layer or the base is known as poison. If I'm wrong, definitely correct me. But then it is a very good base. It helps in defensive combos, definitely. So definitely do consider this. And I have the other one also, which comes in a different color, which is Poison Hydra with Zan weight, Poison Dragon, I believe. Yeah, it's a Poison Dragon with a Zan weight. And then you have the combo as Aero, which is a bad disc actually, but then you get the wall frame, which is good. And weight driver here in this specific combo has been used, and it has reached where it is a slight bit flat, which gives it more stamina, and at the end it won't wobble at that much. Yeah. So the last one which I have in this set is, these are basically all 650 rupees each. The last one is a Grand Pegasus, or you can say Grand Pegasus with Sen weight, and then you have a color combination scheme of double O and then wall, and then you have your charge. So all the parts are really good looking. At the same time, they are very useful as well. Only the layer, which is the layer and the base, are not at all useful. So this lot goes for 650 rupees each. So anyone who is interested in this specific parts can definitely get them. Moving on ahead, we have more random combos. The first one is a Naked Diabolos with the exact stock combo. This goes for approximately 900 rupees. So now the entire lot which I am showing, which will be about something around 900 rupees. Okay, so it will be more or less 900 rupees. So Naked Diabolos. Naked Longinus, which comes with 0, then turn, and then evolution dash. Sorry, evolution, not evolution dash, evolution. So Naked, obviously you know already good. You have your Longinus chip, which is also semi good. At the same time, you get a 0 disc, which is something which you might already have, but if you don't have, then it's a good addition. And turn frame also, it's something which Indian people do not have generally if you go for Indian releases. Then moving on ahead, you have your, I don't know, it's something Bahamut. I just forgot the name, but the Bahamut layer is very good. It helps in spin steel a lot. Then you get the Paradox disc, which is by far one of the best discs available in competitive meta. And the previous way to get it was from the Naked Spriggan booster and also, but now this. And then a Revolve driver. Obviously not something really great, but then if you are getting a Paradox disc and a Bahamut layer, or you can say the base, I believe it's more than suffice. So that's there. Then moving on ahead, we have more combos. We have a Fafnir, which is the layer, the chip is Bahamut, the base is Fafnir, and then we have a Retsu one, which is a very golden looking one. This is aesthetically pleasing a lot, with a ratchet disc and your atomic driver. So atomic obviously a welcome for all the Indian bladers, because we don't have any way to get atomic. Last 4 combos now. Venom Diabolos, Vanguard, Keep. So this one is, I don't know, I hope I don't have to explain this much, because Keep is not good, but then Vanguard and Venom Diabolos is a very, very, very important combo, and really not easy to find these days. Then you have this one, the layer is some, I think, Heaven, and then you have Joker with Gravity, and you have your Quick Dash. So now this price, I know you might be thinking, why is this so high? But the Quick Dash driver is something which is costing this combo a lot. Finally, you have this one, Rock Valkyrie, which comes with a Zan weight, and it has 10 reach, and then you have your Jolt Dash. So Jolt Dash, it's completely in mint condition. Same with your see, no wear and tear as such, very minimal wear. The deformation which you see here a bit is due to the manufacturing thing and not due to use. So there you have it. These 2 drivers are very rare and superb for attack. So that sums it up a bit. Now the last 2 ones, which is extremely relevant for Indian bladers, Hell Salamander with Double O and Charge, and the last one is Spriggan Requiem, which comes with 8 dash, and then you have your angle frame, and then Fusion Dash, I believe. Yeah, it's Fusion. I believe Fusion, I think so. Maybe. So that's it for today, guys. This is the entire thing which I have currently for selling. If you are interested, you can message me on Instagram or DM me. The prices have been already told in the video, so if you guys are confused, definitely watch the video again properly so that you know. And see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys, and bye bye.